is my shoe? Where is my clothes? Pay me my salary. I want to marry.
Hello, and welcome to come this program. Area Tori now the program where they come to now from Procyon Radio and television. And today with me, I did with Gloria Enoch for studio.
Thank you very much.
Grace Adebayo.
Thank you very much.
And my name is Sarah Agbon with full ground with better Tori today. Make una no come out, make una dey with us. The Tori what would they carry come give una today? Now the Tori of house help we abuse little boy. Gloria and Grace.
Yes, sir.
The Tori be say, e get one little boy wey dey for area there where I know very well with the mother. The mother come dey serve na copper she be. So as she get two children, she dey carry one go where she dey work, and then she dey leave the other one for house. She come get one small girl. Na from village she carry the girl come. Say okay, at least the girl dey related to her own husband. So e no be anything wey person go fear according to how the mother dey talk. Na they come decide say make dem bring her. If they bring her come, they go also help her put her for school and everything. So if this small boy close from his own school, she go come dey take care of the boy before the mother go come back. Na they come leave the girl with the boy for house, not knowing that e get some things wey this girl come dey do with the boy. You understand? Mm-hmm. So e get one day wey be say people for area, the way they get they handle the boy, people for area come they feel say, Kai, it be like say something dey wrong between this girl and this boy. But nobody fits open up since they no see am with their eye. Nobody feel open up to tell the woman. To go no go before you know it. One evening like that, you know even to go far. Now around that kind 8 o'clock when the mother come back and she come say okay. Settle them for food and everything. No, now go sleep. I don't tire. I won't go sleep on time because tomorrow I will come out early. Mm-hmm. Now she sent them go inside the room. The house help they sleep with the boy and the small baby. The woman will put them together there. So now this woman wake up in the before she go sleep. Sorry, before she go sleep. Now she just say make she even check the children first before she will finally go sleep. Now she can't come out. They say women na be the people when they go sleep last. She can't come out. She don't know wetin just sleep. I just open the door. Now she see this boy on top the girl. Wetin dey happen? The woman come say she thinks like maybe she want pet the boy make he sleep. Before she go as she go enter completely like this, the girl no even know say the woman enter. And she enter completely like this. Then she come discover say this small pikin dey on top this girl, she dey naked. Now the woman come dey shout. Na there I wan stop with this story. Like God. Wetin you get to say?
Oh, it is well. We pray say may God dey continue to dey keep our children for us. Mm-hmm. This kind of one now, it touched my heart well. In fact, so thank God, say the lady, the woman, that man, 99 days for the thief.
Yes.
Now 1 day, 9 days for the owner. Thank God, say God quickly open her eyes, make she see this thing before the thing go to the extreme. Maybe say they go come, the beginning man will get sense to the dodge, make they no know, make they no see. Mm-hmm. Thank God, say God open her eyes, make God see her. This one again will give us a very serious eye opener. Say how if for me self, I don't believe say me person keep pikin with pikin. Reason because the world where we dey now, our children self, they get phone, their brain they sharper than our own. Even though elderly people too, I know say fear still dey, but in a way it better than children. Say make you keep your pikin with a fellow pikin self. That one self already he don't even know how to shima or she never even finish know how to take care of her own self. Finish. Talk more of that other one. Oh. And the kind of way they for don't sit down, they watch, they see, they go want practicalize everything. Now so children be. The thing where they see, the thing where they watch, the thing where they hear, they go want practicalize. radicalize am. So make we dey very 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 careful. I pray say God go continue to keep our children for us. People wey dey plan evil thing, both small one both big one, they no go near us o. May God keep us.
Amen. You know say Grace Adebayo dey talk as mother now. I know say she get boys.
Na God make God dey think very wide. It is well.
She get boys. Well. So if na you, Gloria, wetin I wan ask you now, you go let that girl go, abi you go keep her, make you dey train her so that she go stop that kind thing?
No, I no go get the mind to keep her if na me, because she's older than that my son. I for send her back to their parents, because that's the way you see so. No be today they get started. You don do am before you come that house. Maybe they do am with person wey big, no be that small, no be small pikin like this one. So when she dey feel like say she for do am, because she say this my own pikin for house na mine. That is why you see am, she dey use this one dey practice wetin she dey do before. So if na me, I for send her back, and this one go make the parents na wey dey outside una dey hear us as we dey tell una so from this area to make una learn lesson. No be everything, no be every pikin, no be every child you go carry. Before you go carry pikin, no be every family you go find out. Even though na your husband family, put your eye down, make you learn. E get some things wey person dey ask you, because e go ask, I wan carry this pikin, how una see this girl? Because that girl no be say na small pikin, e no too small like that. E get sense well well before you go come do this thing. And maybe she no find out all those kind of things, she just carry am come because she need helper for house. No be every helper we go carry you, una shine una eye well well.
So the reason why I ask you that question is say the landlord of the house come dey tell the woman say, if na your pikin do this kind of thing, you no go fit correct am. No send this girl back, keep her so that you go help her, make she change, make she stop all those kind of things.
Una see ba, no be only this kind matter sef things dey happen. E get some people from outside wey say dem go do something, they go come dey compare am with your own pikin. I no say that person to no be another person pikin, na another person pikin, but e get level of intimacy, love and understanding, and the bond wey dey between you and your pikin and the one wey no be say you no be your pikin. People no dey deceive you, people no dey deceive ourselves. If no be your pikin, no be your pikin. Be your own. The kind understanding, the kind treatment wey you go wan give your pikin, if you begin dey do am for another person pikin, na that same some people wey dey talk say if na pikin no go keep am. If you begin dey do that kind treatment, dem go dey feel say don dey maltreat another person pikin, because no be your pikin. So my own candid advice be say, no be everything wey person dey talk that man wey person go follow. Everybody na free word, everybody fit talk wetin you fit talk. For me I no see am right make she still keep that pikin for house. Make she jejely carry her go give her parents, see wetin this pikin dey do to my pikin. Then na dem go know the kind jara, the kind training wey they want to give their pikin in the way wey be say e go suit her, wey be say she go know say this one na my parents dey do am for me.
Okay. So una dey hear this story wey dey come to una from Procyon Radio and television, and una don hear my people for studio wetin dem talk. The thing wey I wan make you comment now be say, if na you go carry this pikin go back. I don't know the answer wey you go give them. Just drop your comment for us so that we will know, and God will bless you now. Now we dey come to the end of the program area to the way they come to now from Procyon Radio and television. I want to thank Gloria Eno for coming to the studio. Thank you. And Grace Adebayo, thank you for always coming to the studio. God bless you. And to you, where they listen and watch us right now, I want to say thank you for subscribing, for sharing, for liking, for commenting our video. God will bless you now. I beg you. For I never do, I make una just do am now. God bless you. My name is Sarah Agbon. Make una dey shine like the star wey una be. Bye bye.
Where is my shoe?